Hello, I'm Steve. This is Bit of Munch. Now, it's Noodle Tuesday and it's Iceland week. So, I have got some noodles and an Iceland product. Right, how do you say that? Wai Wai? Wai Wai? Wee wee? I don't know. I'll say Wai Wai, I think. Wai Wai brand, Oriental style instant noodles. And these were only 29p from Home Bargains. Possibly the cheapest noodles I've ever reviewed. I don't know. I might have done a cheaper one. You tell me. There's quite a lot of noodle reviews to look back through, so one of you might do that for me. Right. I thought I had something crawling on my leg then, but I didn't. It doesn't tell you much on this packet. All it tells you on the back is the ingredients, the nutrition, and basically who makes it. It doesn't give you much indication of what they taste like. It just says Oriental style instant noodles. And if you look at the ingredients, several E numbers. The only things that give any sort of hint to the flavour, it says artificial chicken flavour, garlic powder, pepper, spring onion. But then you've got all these E numbers, you know. Who knows? Who knows? Right, I'll give you a look at it because you may struggle to find these online. So if you want to pause that, I don't know if that has focused for you, but if it has, you can pause it and have a good read. Okay, and from Iceland, Chinese sticky shredded chicken, £4 or 3 for £10. Now I've tried quite a lot of varieties of their shredded chicken, and they're always good, but I haven't tried this one until now. And I just thought the two would go together because, you know, Chinese, Oriental, yeah. Right, so what's this one say? It's 400 gram pack, cooked shredded chicken breast fillet in a breaded coating glazed with Chinese style soy sauce. 8 minutes in the air fryer or 16 minutes in the oven. 43% chicken breast fillet. 28% Chinese style soy sauce, and then loads of other sort of Oriental herbs, spices and seasonings. There's something else I was going to tell you about these noodles. Oh yes, it was who makes them. They're made manufacturer and distributor Thai Preserved Food Factory Company Limited in Thailand, surprisingly. In a place called Nakhon Pathom. I probably said that completely wrong. I do apologise to any Thai people watching. Right, so let's get that all prepared and see what they're like individually and together. I hope these are good. As I say, they were so cheap. They didn't have any other varieties of this brand, only this one. So, yeah, interesting to see what it's like. Right, I will get it all done. Right, you get 3 little sachets in these noodles, but it doesn't, well, that one doesn't tell you anything at all what it is, but feeling it, that feels like oil. These, both of them say flavour essence. Oh, hang on a minute. Flavour essence chili. But it says that on both of them. Yeah, it says it on both of them, and they look quite different because this one is darker than the other one. Oh well, we'll find out, won't we? It's all part of the fun. Okay, so there's the chicken. This chicken smells amazing. The noodles smell interesting. I mean, noodles. You can't see a lot, I know. But I've got to try these noodles first. Because, where's the oven gloves? Yeah, because they just smell unusual. Very unusual. That's better. I've done them dry style, which is how I like them. So drain off most of the water before I add the seasonings. Okay, here we go. Very, very slippery wee noodles. There's a few bits of greenery in there. It did mention spring onion on the ingredients, didn't it? Oh, they're spicy. Hey! I wasn't expecting that. I'm saying these are very oily. I don't want to play. Then that gave you a laugh, didn't it? To be honest, there's not a huge amount I can say about these, apart from the fact they're spicy. I'm not really picking up much else in the way of flavours. I'm going to stick some soy sauce in these in a minute. Yeah, they're a bit boring, to be honest, but they are spicy. Oh wow, they're spicy. Okay, let's get rid of the oven gloves now. Try this chicken, Chinese style sticky shredded chicken. I'm going to use a fork because it is still quite sticky. Oh, that is amazing. Sticky, sweet, full of flavour. Oh, that's incredible. That is so good. It's Chinese flavours. As I said, it is sticky, so it's best to use a fork, I think, with this. Not particularly spicy, hot, not like those noodles are. But yeah, sticky, sweet, oriental flavours. Very, very tasty, very enjoyable. It's almost like eating sweets. It's that sweet. But that's not a negative thing. That is good. Oh, that's great. I wish I'd done more of it. I only did a little bit because I didn't want a lot, basically. Okay, I've got a bit of dark soy sauce left. And I've got some light soy sauce. So I'm adding both, just to perk these noodles up a bit. There we go. Let's have a go now. Oh, I did put rather a lot of soy sauces in them. Okay. These are so tricky to eat. You could probably tell that. Those soy sauces have improved them tremendously. Really, yeah, much better now. So let's try them together. Mmm. Oh yes. Oh yes. Right. Let's get this back out the freezer. Just to remind you. Chinese sticky shredded chicken from Iceland is amazing. So good. It's, as I said just now, it's almost like eating sweets. It's really sweet. It's sticky. It's full of flavour. It's lovely. Whereas these noodles, these wee noodles, Wai Wai, yeah, why did I buy them? They're boring. They're spicy but boring. But with soy sauce, they are better. Okay. Oh, I'll tell you what though, I'm definitely buying that again. I hope they carry on doing it. I mean, it doesn't say it's new. It didn't say it's new on the shelf edge label, but I'd never seen it before, so I assumed it was new. But when you look on the Iceland website, and what I quite often do is I look at the number of reviews. I haven't read the reviews, but I just saw how many there were. And there's lots of reviews for this product. So in other words, it hasn't been out. It has been out for a long time, rather. But, oh, so good. So good. Okay, thanks for watching that one. And tune in tomorrow for day 3 of Iceland Week. And tomorrow will be a brand new product. Probably. Oh, it will be.